Hello, fellow humans. My name is Ferruccio Bilic, and I will try to discuss a few ideas about dark matter and energy and relationship with space. Okay, since nobody knows what dark matter and energy is, here is my contribution. Okay. Uh, let's think about some evidence. We know that velocity in space is about 300,000 kilometers per second. Okay, there is a limit. Doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense. Okay, why? Maybe the space is not that empty. Maybe it's full of quantic fields that we are stupid enough to not understand. And they behave like a fluid where the light has to go through. We know that light when goes through a glass, it slows down, and even you can white light you can break into the spectrum of light. Okay, because each frequency has a different velocity on glass. Why is not happening something similar to space? The light, the electromagnetic field is trying to advance through this fluid and is slowing down because it is a quantic field or several quantic fields. That we don't know how to detect them well yet. Only we know that they have some properties that behave like gravity, okay, attraction type gravity. Maybe they are even more complex than this. Okay, and let's think that if we could, also we know that light does not move equally well in different part of space. Some part of space is a little faster, a little in other space a little slower, and we don't have any idea whatsoever why this is happening. It is because this dark matter or space or dark energy, I think that's a kind of dark energy, is slowing down, is more dense in some space, some points on the space, and not as dense in other part of points of the space. Therefore, it can light can move in different speeds. Okay, this is a supposition. I am just trying to contribute some ideas to the discussion. Okay, I don't intend to go after measuring anything, doing more theoretical work, mathematical work. Although I am able to do all this stuff, I'm too old to go after doing this thing. Okay, I am just contributing some of my thoughts so that other people can pursue these ideas. Okay, and if they are different quantic field, they are affecting everything much more than we can see. Okay, no matter of fact, we don't see that much. Even our visual perception is very narrow, very limited. We can see only a very narrow spectrum of electromagnetic light. Other kind of stimulus we cannot see them because our vision is very, very, very limited. Not even ultraviolet that bees can see, we cannot. Infrared also we cannot see, okay? Even though the James Webb telescope works with infrared, but to make us believe that we can see something, they transform the infrared in some something that we can see, okay? They are not true color. And therefore, dark matter and dark energy, they are like face of the same coin, okay? In some aspect you see matter, in some aspect you see energy, and they can be transforming in each other probably. And let's give some idea. If the speed of light, space, depends on this medium, dark energy or dark matter, maybe we could open up, push them a little bit apart, keep them a little thinner in some in some direction, so that the light could move faster. Therefore, probably we don't need to stick around this limit of 300,000 kilometers per second. We could move faster, okay? How to do this? Well, I don't know. But as we did in other fields, experiments and things like that, the reasoning may be similar, okay? But we do need to understand a little bit more about this quantic field. A lot of quantic fields that are around, and all different quantic fields. Okay? This dark matter and dark energy probably are just some part of this quantic field that are around. Okay? And if we take our blinds a little bit away maybe we can start thinking about in some way of detecting this several quantic field that we have no idea how they are. Okay, probably they are not magnetic, they are not electric. Okay, they are not visual because we can see them. Maybe they even have some tac tactic sense. Maybe we could use them to push things like energy. Therefore, we need to be more creative in thinking about this stuff. Okay, and what's lacking nowadays is creativity and having ideas of how to deal with all these new situations that we came about. We don't understand the Big Bang Theory. Maybe needs a little patch up, or maybe even throw away and replace by a new kind of thing. Dark energy, dark matter. We are totally ignorant. We know that they have some effect, gravitational effect, but we need to know more. Okay, if they have some of the gravitational effect, maybe we should think more about gravitons and things like that, and maybe study a little bit more about neutrinos and things like that that we cannot see, we cannot, they don't have electrical charge, they are not subject to magnetic field or whatever. Okay, therefore there are some very occult stuff that we have to take our blinds away so that we can see a little better this very mysterious stuff. They are mysterious because we are ignorant. We don't understand them. While if we start thinking more creatively, maybe we can start thinking in ways of seeing these things and perceiving how this thing works. Okay? And explain a lot of things that we cannot explain now. Even explain what the heck are we doing in this universe and what this universe has to do is just a play of someone. No, maybe something more interesting, even simpler to explain. Okay, and therefore we we can probably even explain our conscience and our soul and in which direction we will go. We know that we are going to die here, but our energy, our conscience, and our soul, where does it go? We know that energy you cannot destroy, and maybe stays around as this kind of quantum field, okay? And they can be assessed, or they can play some role in the infinity. Okay. Therefore, we should think about dark energy and dark matter, maybe in the inner, inner space between the different part of the cosmos. Okay, and this will give us a more understanding of how to explain things that we cannot explain right now, and even our more philosophical aspect or spiritual aspect, okay, our existence. And I hope that these thoughts may provoke someone to think about and help to think out these ideas, so that we can improve in the future our understanding of the universe. Okay? I thank you for your attention. I appreciate if you can give your like or dislike, so that I can know if I am going some interesting direction or not. And you can also give me your comments, your critiques and suggestions. And if you want to have more access to new videos on several things, always some not normal thing, always some thoughts that will give you a lot of thinking to do. Okay, and you can sign up for in my channel, and I thank you very much for your attention.